Question 11. The numbers 72, 8, 24, 10, 5, 45, 36, 15 are grouped in pairs so that the product of each pair is the same. Which number is paired with the 10? Now this gives us a big clue. We have to have something that's paired with 10. So therefore all of our pairings must have a 0 in the ones place, because one number is going to be grouped with the 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to group them with those that are multiples of 5 and those that are not multiples of 5. I'm also going to put them in ascending order because that will make it easier later as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like I've done it right. The reason I group them in 5s is because I need to have numbers here when I create a product that has a 0 in the ones place, and I can easily do that if I've got 5s. I notice I've got several 5s. I need to be multiplying these across. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in order. Because they're going to have the same product. So I'm going to see if it works by putting the largest here, going down. And indeed that works. They are all going to have the same product. They're all going to have they're all going to be 360. Therefore, the number that pairs with 10 is 36.